If you're replacing a toilet seat, there's two standard sizes in the US, round and elongated. To figure out which size you need, measure from the hole that holds down the toilet seat to the front of the bowl. If it's 16.5 inches, you need a round seat. If it's 18.5 inches, you need elongated. There's a variety of fasteners. You can have a pretty standard nut and bolt. This system has an elongated nut, and the bottom is designed to be tightened down with an adjustable wrench. When you reach the right amount of pressure, this bottom section actually snaps off. You can also have compression style nuts. The shape of the bowl on many high efficiency toilets are slightly longer or shorter than a standard toilet, so an adjustable toilet seat will allow you to match the end of the seat to the front of the bowl. This one, for example, will allow you to adjust the seat up to 1/2 inch in either direction. For this adjustable toilet seat, you have a carriage bolt that has a square bottom that fits into this fitting so that when you tighten this down, it locks it in place. There's also a small plastic nut that slides up and will hold it in place. When you snap this into the hinge, you want to make sure that it's set so it will move back and forth. These plastic nuts have tabs so they'll center themselves in the holes in the bowl. Now you put your bolts through the holes and you'll tighten it down from underneath. Now you hand tighten your nuts. Adjust the seat where you want it to end on the bowl, hold it in place, and tighten it with a wrench. Another nice feature to look for is a slow close toilet seat. If you have an older toilet and a heavy wooden seat and you slam it, you could potentially crack your bowl.